Hello class 3 children. I hope you all are keeping well. So today we'll do GK from your GK book Think and Grow. And the topic is what? We need plants. Yes, we really need plants. Why? Because it gives what? Vegetables to us. And then we eat different parts of a plant as vegetables. Like what? Leaves we eat. And then flowers we eat. Stems we eat. So now what we'll do is we'll work together. So take out your book, page number 11. We need plant. We eat seeds, roots, stems, leaves and flowers of some plants. Now what part of the following do we eat? Write the correct letter next to each. So these are the words given. Plant's name and which part of it we eat. So if we eat seed, we write S. Roots, for roots we write R. For stem, ST. Leaves, L. And flowers, F. So this is a picture of a broccoli. So that which part of it we eat? We eat as a what? We make vegetable curry, and then we also make what? We add it in the salad. And this is the flower. So what we will write? Just beside broccoli there's a circle made. You will write inside. We will write F. Now look at the next word. Coriander. We'll see the picture of coriander. So this is what? The next is coriander. These are the coriander leaves and we add it in the curry and it gives flavor to it. So this is the leaf part that we eat. Okay, so we write here L. So just beside coriander you will write L. Leaf. Next go to turmeric. Now this is what turmeric. We use it in the kitchen. For what? It gives color to the curry that we make. Okay. So this is which part do you think? It looks like what? Root. So beside turmeric you will write R. We eat the root part. Next is celery. So this is celery. This is also we add in the when we make salad and all we add that. Okay, this is very healthy. All green vegetables are healthy. Now beside that, which part of it we eat? We eat the stem part. Can you see the tender stem? We eat that part. So beside celery, what will you write? So you will write ST, stem. Now move to ginger. Let's see the picture of ginger. So here is the picture of ginger, and then it is commonly used in Indian kitchen. And for what? Sometimes what we add this in the for flavoring in tea, and for curry it is used, and also when you get cold and cough, mummy gives this. Okay, so which part do you think? This is a root part that we eat. So we will write R. For ginger we write R, root part. Next we go to cabbage. Now look at the picture of cabbage. Green vegetable. This is also very healthy. And then we eat this part. And this is called what? What do you think? These are the leaf part. So what we write here? We write L beside cabbage. So we write leaf L beside cabbage. And it is an excellent source of vitamin K. Right. And then it keeps your body protected from all damage. So very healthy. Now next we move to turnip. So this is turnip. And by looking at it you can understand, right? This is which part of the plant? It is the root part. And this is also loaded with lot of vitamins. So beside turnip, so we write R beside turnip. Now next go to beetroot. So this is what? Beetroot. Very healthy, and then it gives your blood also increases with this. Very good for you children. So please have it as salad, and then you see this is what? Root part. So beside beetroot we write R because we eat the root part of this plant. So we write R just beside beetroot. Now next is we'll go to rice. So this is what? Rice. And this is we all likes to eat rice, right? This is the main food of all of us, and rice is the seed. So we write S just in front of rice, seed part we eat. Next is what? Beans. These are beans. Beans also is looking like what? It's looking like seed, isn't it? So we will write S before, after the word beans, and then this is very good for your health as protein. It has lot of proteins. So we write as seed just before, just after the word beans. Next we go to peas. Now these are what? Peas. We add in vegetable green peas, and sometimes feel like eating raw also. It is sweet at times, right? So this looks like what? Seed. So after peas, which word we will write? R. Sorry, R. Leaf. No, we will write as seed. This looks like seed also. This is the part we eat. Next we go to potato. Now this is what? Potatoes. Can you see? Now this is everyone likes potato, and we add to almost all the vegetable. It's really tasty, and when you smash and eat, it's wow. Oh, what do you think? This is flower, leaf? No, this is stem part that we eat. So we write ST, stem part. Next we go to onion. Onion is what? Let's see the picture. Now this is what? Onion. Onion. Okay. To almost every vegetable we add, and then when you peel, when you cut this, what happens? The tear rolls from your eyes. So, and which part do you think is this? Let's see. Just beside onion. This is the stem part. So you write ST, stem. Next we go to the spinach. And this, you see the picture, spinach is very much good for your health, as this gives you iron. Okay, and then sometimes, most of the times in winter, we make soup out of this, and then we drink. Okay, so this is, what do you think, which part? This is, it really looks clearly leaf part. So what we will write beside that? We write L beside spinach. Now next we go to garlic. Now this is what? Garlic. Garlic again is very healthy. Okay, and it keeps you safe. Mummy gives sometimes, right? Garlic and all to keep you away from cold. So here, which part do you think we eat? Garlic is the stem part. So what we write? So we write ST just after garlic, stem part. The last one is maize. Now this is maize, right? So this is also what it gives you, energy, quick energy. Okay, now this is, what do you think? This is the seed part that we eat. So we write just S after the word maize. We eat the seed part. Now section A is over. We'll move to section B. Write M for plants, that O for plants that gives oil, F for plants that gives fibers, and P for the plants that gives perfume in the boxes given below. So here are the few pictures we can see, and from these plants what do we get? Oil or medicine or fiber or perfume. Let's see. The first one is neem. So neem, what do we get? We get medicine out of neem. So what we will write here? M. Next is what? Poppy. We get poppy seeds, right? So this is poppy flower. And then from here also we get medicine. So we write M. This is what now? This is mustard plants, yellow. Okay, and out of this we get oil, that we get mustard oil. We use it for cooking food also. So we write here O, oil. Next is cinchona. From here also, from this plant also, we get medicine. Medicine for when someone gets malaria, or for that we get medicine out of this plant. Next is what? Jute. Jute, what we get from here? So with jute we get fiber. We get jute bags, right, which is commonly used by all of us. So we get fiber. We write here F. Next is this flower, jasmine. From this flower we get perfume, and then we write here P. Next is lavender. From this also we get perfume, lavender perfume. Okay, we write P. Next is what? Cotton, cotton plants. Can you see all these cottons and all? So we get fiber from this plant. So we have finished this. We need plants, and we have come to know about different parts that we eat. And then I hope, children, we have extended little knowledge on our we need plants. So keep yourself healthy and have healthy food.